How to log in into Sparkasse online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and in the search URL type in login Sparkasse, then press enter in your keyboard. After that, click on this first link that says online banking login. Now you may have this language as a German language. If you don't get it, then you can translate it to English using this Google Translator. So navigate to top right corner, there you'll find this Google Translator, click on it. From there, choose the English language. And with that, you will have English language in your interface. Now to log in, first of all, you have to enter your login name. So simply type in your login name associated with your account. After you do that, click on this further button and on the next page, you will be asked to enter your PIN code. So enter your PIN code and after that click on login, and with that you'll be logged into Sparkasse online banking account. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.